To everyone, myself Pratyusha Priyadarshini. I am a student of OIB Satushal Ganjam. I am also a part of PaddhO Academy. PaddhO Academy is a platform where we will learn how to speak in English. And it is a platform which provides an environment to speak with others in English. Leave it. Do you know on which topic I want to say? That topic is my dream. Do you know a special fact about me? I am like a Starbucks. I look good, smell great, and make your day just a little bit better. Okay, let's start. What's a dream? Dream is not that let you sleep. Dream is that won't let you sleep. We must have a dream. But nowadays, most of students have their dream. Like this, I have also a dream. That's to become a software engineer in my future. Software engineer is a person who designs, maintains, develops and tests computer systems. It is my childhood dream. I am so much interested in computer system. I learned how to operate the computer system just a little bit, but I have knowledge about computer system than my classmates. What should we do to become a software engineer? At first, we have to graduate from a higher secondary school and pursue a bachelor degree. After that, we have to apply entry-level jobs. But I want to create my own software company. Before to create it, I want to have some experience as a software expert. After all that, we have to pursue a master's degree. We have to clear some exams such as JEE Main and Advanced and the GATE exam, which is also known as Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. We must pursue the courses like BTech or BSc in Computer Science, BCA, as well as we can do some short courses like Diploma in Computer Science. What are the benefits of being a software engineer? Nowadays, there is a high demand of software experts. They get high salary. They have unlimited PTO, that's paid time off. In India, a software engineer gets 5.1 lakh per year. A software engineer can help our country by increased access to information through system, software or the internet. I want to connect all the people all over the world through social apps. I also want to offer entertainment to everyone in the form of video streaming, podcast and video games, etc. etc. At last, I want to share a message to everyone that we should do hard work and fulfill our dreams. PaddhO Academy also support us to fulfill our dreams. You should join PaddhO Academy and make your future more brighter. Thank you.